I'm going to take you through 5 killer apps that your marketing agency can sell to your clients to add an extra $10,000 a month to your recurring revenue. And best of all, you can start selling these today for predictable, recurring, scalable income. I've been given early access to a few of these tools, some of which aren't even released yet, and what they can do for your agency is ridiculous. So in this video, we're going to cover exactly what to sell to clients, even if you've never offered recurring services before, how to find clients who actually want this without cold calls or ads or complicated funnels, and how to deliver it easily without being technical, rebuilding your business, or starting from scratch. Starting out, there is a $1 million opportunity that agencies like yours are crazy to miss out on. And best of all, selling it actually makes your life easier. If your clients are spending money on ads, or if you're managing those ads for them, you know how frustrating it is to be endlessly creating campaigns and constantly switching tabs. And the worst part is in the middle of all that chaos, I used to struggle to get consistent results or recurring income because managing ads for every single client is like a time-sucking nightmare. For clients, if they're running their own ads, they're spending money, but they can't really see where their leads or their results are actually coming from. And trust me, they are sick of guessing. And that's where something called Ads Manager comes in. Ads Manager is a killer feature that you can sell to clients and enable it inside High Level for an additional fee to the client. You set the price, you add a margin, and that works for you and your clients. Then in just a matter of minutes, they can start deploying dozens or even hundreds of ads without endless customization and copy pasting and switching between tabs. And it gets even better. High Level have literally, as of today, like at the time of release of this video being published, have just released a Google Ads and YouTube Ads feature to Ads Manager, meaning that from just one screen, your clients and you can create and deploy ads without switching a single screen. And you can track and measure exactly what leads and sales come from where. Ad Manager basically unlocks a brand new recurring revenue stream that you can sell as a monthly add-on. Now you could comfortably charge $297 a month to clients, and what's insane is that High Level has a flat $97 fee to you. So for every sale you make, your costs stay exactly the same, but your profit level goes up. Ad Manager positions you as their all-in-one growth partner who manages traffic, leads, results, not just funnels. And that helps you keep clients longer and reduce churn. Now, I'm going off script a bit here because I really struggle with selling ads to clients or creating ads with clients. Just unlocking Ads Manager for them allows me to capitalize on them using ads, makes their life easier, but I actually don't have to get involved in any of the ad grunt work in the middle. And now, because every ad platform, every major ad platform now runs inside High Level, you will save, as will your clients, hours and hours and hours each week while duplicating proven campaigns across clients and across campaigns in seconds. Now, how can you sell this to clients? Well, Ads Manager gives your clients one simple place to run Facebook, Instagram, Google, and now YouTube ads without juggling like multiple logins or going to multiple freelancers. It also automatically syncs lead data back into Google and Meta so their ads learn and improve on their own, lowering costs and overall increasing lead quality. And more importantly, they can finally see what's working, they can track real ROI, and they can stop wasting money on dead ads, making every marketing dollar go further. Local businesses, like local service businesses like dentists, medical spas, cosmetic salons, they live and die by new patient leads. Real estate, mortgage professionals, they need a steady stream of qualified buyers and sellers. Gyms, fitness studios, personal trainers, they all rely on consistent signups and seasonal promotions. So you can activate Ads Manager in the agency reselling page here. It's super quick and easy. Just make sure to enter the code sell your service in this section here, 75. So that's sell your service 75. Don't forget the 75. Even if you're not under my affiliate package already, I'll get credit if you watch this video and you want to do this. It does give me a cut of the payment. It doesn't cost you any more. It's just sort of a nice way to pay for our team, support this channel, show me some love. If we take a look at our 0 to 10K a month plan, we can see that just 4 clients on the $297 a month plan, that would net us a cool $1,188 a month just by selling this one product. So now I'm going to show you how to hit the next $2,000 a month with something that is just as easy to sell. Using Ads Manager to drive traffic is one thing, but how do you solve the problem of generating leads that turn into clients? And that's what our next app does. When I first sold lead generation to clients, back in the good old days, the single biggest problem I faced was that even if I gave my clients leads, the client would often fail to convert them. Now, the cold hard reality is that if your customers don't see sales, they will think the leads are bad. And this means that they leave you, your churn rate goes through the roof, and you're left with a hollow, empty feeling inside because you're going to have to chase and find another client. But what if we could fix that? This is one app that I would have killed for back when I was working with clients. It not only captures leads, but it also converts leads into sales for the client. They will think that you are responsible for the sales, and it is super scalable. There's nothing more frustrating to your clients than losing sales. There's nothing more frustrating to me when my clients lose sales, or when they're spending hours and hours and hours replying to client messages and emails and texts with the same questions over and over and over. Conversation AI, which is the name of the feature, takes all of that and fixes it. And best of all, again, it is another flat fee that you can add a healthy profit margin onto. What Conversation AI does is it unifies all of their channels and auto responds instantly, capturing leads before they disappear. So it automates FAQs, it can send booking links, it can confirm appointments, it can even trigger workflows, turning repetitive admin into like a 24/7 virtual assistant. Imagine running a new campaign with the Ads Manager, generating traffic to a page and knowing that the little chatbot will answer any questions in the company's tone of voice, trained on the company's data, which is free, by the way, and it can book appointments or even suggest products. Honestly, this is just a no-brainer to add on to your clients' packages. This is a $97 a month flat fee. It's separate to the Ads Manager package that you can offer to clients. That means you can charge them $297 a month for basically a 24/7 employee. So as you can see, it's a $97 flat fee to you. You can choose the price, so let's say $297, and that means that you are basically going to charge them $297 a month for basically a 24/7 employee, and you will only pay $97 a month per client. You can offer them content creation, that's a part of this feature as well, and the chat function, and there's also another killer feature that I'll talk about in a second. And there won't be any unexpected like usage fees or token request fees that other platforms have. Plus, and High Level have literally just sent this over to me, they've told me that the chatbot function can now accept voice notes from clients and image uploads. So now you can get the chat function to kind of respond to how normal humans use the chat features. And it will also work with WhatsApp, so that you can do all of this with the world's most popular messaging system. Again, you can activate Conversation AI on the reselling page of your main agency menu. You can set a price, tell your clients, and start making some more money. So again, on our 0 to 10K journey, you can see that another 4 clients at $297, that would net us another $1,188 a month, bringing us to $23,760, and that's per month. And really, there's a good chance that your first 4 clients on the Ad Manager will also be desperate to use something like this. Conversation AI is perfect for B2C businesses that get a lot of inquiries, often where people need to book appointments. So things like spas, therapists, repair services. Think about businesses that often have to confirm a few details before they sell their offer. Does missing calls or forgetting to call leads back cost you money? Right, that's your pitch right there. So what about the killer new feature that I was talking about earlier? When I first saw this new feature, I was a little bit skeptical. However, when they showed me the demo, I couldn't tell the difference between the AI and a real person. It's that good. Plus, you actually get this included with the Conversation AI feature I just talked about. Now, to me, recurring revenue is only part of the solution. The product you sell also needs to be scalable. What I mean by that is that if you sell retainers to like 5 different people, you're essentially splitting your time across 5 different projects. And you see that quickly reaches a limit. It literally reaches a ceiling as to how much money you can make. But if we sell something like software, it doesn't matter how many people we convert, the amount of time we spend on our workload never goes up. Now that's why I love this next app, because it scales your business and your clients' businesses. Businesses are already missing calls because they're busy doing other things. Hiring a full-time employee can cost thousands. Your clients are also overwhelmed by the number of repetitive phone conversations they're having day after day. Voice AI fixes all of that. So Voice AI is included in that $97 a month flat fee to you. So if you charge $297, your clients will also get access to Voice AI, and they can get access to a trained, realistic voice AI bot at the end of a phone. And coming very soon, your clients can put this same voice bot on their actual website to have conversations with customers using a voice chatbot. Now, this will be the advantage that businesses are looking for in the future, and you can start offering it today. You need to ask yourself, would your clients pay $297 a month, netting you $200 a month profit for a full-time employee? So again, if you just found another 4 clients who maybe just want this feature, that's another $1,100. So that brings us to about $3,500 a month recurring. Think about businesses that get a lot of phone calls, like dentists and law firms, plumbers, electricians, clinics as well. Voice AI can pick up every call. It can take details. It can even book appointments automatically. But what's really insane to me is this next offer, because it addresses something that I myself have personally struggled with, and I would gladly pay $500 a month for. There is a literal $1 billion market out there that no one else has been able to touch until now. So some of you might be watching this thinking, okay, Mike, I'm just kind of starting out. What if I don't want to resell AI agents or ads manager? Well, I think you're missing out, but maybe you can get there eventually. But no problem, I've got you covered with this next app. This next feature is included in the base level of high level, which means that you can already resell it to your clients as of today. But it is brand new. It was literally released like today, and it's ridiculously easy to sell. Airbnb changed the game, right? But their fees are crushing small rentals. Now you can help those same businesses take back control. What if you could help small local rental businesses and actually compete with Airbnb or any rental market for that sake? To me, this is the single biggest opportunity dropped into our laps since being able to resell websites and email marketing in general. Legitimately, when they showed this slide, I immediately thought I could make an entire video just about this. So High Level has just dropped a brand new rental sales feature inside their base platform. Now that means that you can offer B&Bs, car rentals, sports equipment hire. I've seen a local dog park company crush sales with this exact offer. It's basically a way to take bookings, payments, reminders, listings, and more all inside High Level for a flat fee. Imagine saying to any holiday accommodation company or a car rental company or even like event hire businesses, would you like to stop paying percentage fees and platform cuts to whoever you're using now, pay a single flat fee, and actually have more control and features? I mean, yeah, sign me up, right? And what's insane is that if you combined this with the AI employee feature above, you could give them access to AI booking agents, chat agents, and more for more profit. Now, the opportunities are genuinely endless here. I honestly believe that a 7-figure business using High Level will emerge just selling this feature to their market, and there's no reason that that business couldn't be you. If you're not already using High Level, you can head over to the link in the description down below, or you can scan this QR code on the screen somewhere and access a free 30-day trial, including the rental feature that I've just mentioned. Plus, I'll include all of my proven funnels and email campaigns and templates and swipe files that you can use with your clients and your own business, as well as my best-selling program on landing 5 recurring revenue clients in 21 days, all with the link below. Full disclosure, these are my affiliate links, so if you do buy using my link, I will get a cut. It doesn't mean you'll pay more. It's just a really nice way for me to pay my team, pay my overheads, and give the channel some support. So on our 10K journey, you can see that with just 3 clients at $500 a month, that would bring us up to $5,000 a month. So we're halfway to a $10,000 a month business. Now the rental feature is ideal for anyone renting out rooms or vehicles or venues, Airbnbs, car hire companies like sports equipment rentals, or And I think this is a killer market: hot desking and co-working spaces. Now remember, High Level also has an app that you can deploy for clients on people's like phones. So honestly, this feature is the one that gets me excited the most. And now let's add some rocket fuel to this. This final app is the biggest missed opportunity in the marketing space right now because it's so scalable and profitable. And again, this is already included inside the base level of High Level, but it also addresses another billion-dollar market. Your clients are finding it harder than ever to get and keep the attention of their audience and their customers. Social media is groaning under the weight of competition. And for some markets, the platforms themselves actually restrict growth by choking views and sales. Now, what if I told you there was an easier, faster, and cheaper way to find and close those clients? And you don't need to be on all the social media platforms at once. So I'm gonna let you in on a secret. My first six-figure year was made selling products in just one way, the way I'm about to show you. And since then, I have never strayed far from it because it's always done me well. The only problem is that it used to cost an absolute fortune to do it regularly. But now you and your clients can do it for free to a captive audience. So High Level offers this feature called Communities, which is kind of like Circle and School, but integrated with their courses and e-commerce and marketing systems. It's massively overpowered. And what's really awesome about this, apart from a big new UI update, they've got a ton of new features coming for their Communities platform, but they have just released a live stream function inside their Communities platform. So imagine that you sell like coaching or consulting, you've built a small but dedicated following and you want to grow it. You could compete on the same platforms that everyone else is on, or you could invite your leads and audience to a private space where they won't be bombarded with ads or sales spam. Not only do you upload free training for them using like the course and the Go Collab features, but once or twice a week you go live to that audience from one platform that you don't have to compete with anyone else, and there are no additional fees or costs, and you know that your content isn't being buried amongst the trillions of other videos out there. To me, this is another $1 million business waiting to be started. The world's biggest YouTubers are moving to private platforms like Go Collab to talk to their best clients away from the algorithm. It's included inside the base level of High Level, and streaming is now available as a feature today. You can start helping your clients live stream to their audience today and showing them how to drive more sales from their list and audience. Communities and live streaming is amazing for coaches, consultants, course creators who have already got small followings. You don't have to have a big following to use this, and they want to build private groups that they control instead of relying on Facebook or YouTube. And again, if you're not already using High Level, you can use the link down below or scan this QR code to get access to a free 30-day trial. So to jump from 5,000 a month to 10,000 a month is roughly like 10 clients at $500. Now these could be new clients, but based on everything we've talked about here, 3 of these already require a High Level subscription anyway. So chances are you're already using High Level with them to sell the Ads Manager and the AI Employee, which means if you were to take these accounts, add on just a few extra services, you would be over the $10,000 a month mark, and it's only taken you 10 clients, which is insane to me. What's even more crazy is that there is a sales method that I use that attracts leads and closes clients on automation. It's perfect for SaaS businesses and marketing businesses like yours, that not only can you use for your own business, but you can also use with clients as well. And you can copy that exact method here by watching this video that's come up on the screen. It's easily my favorite sales method, and it cuts down on calls and it actually increases conversions.